LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com. Select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Turn the laptop over. Remove the screws. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Remove the Palmrest. Unplug the cable. Place the touchpad back in place. Plug the cable back in. Place the screws back in. That's all. You just installed your new touchpad. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.